Hey babe, so I am back with another video for you. If you'd like to see how I get my hair from straight to curly again, then stay tuned. Alright babe, so because my hair has been straight for about a week and a half, I am going to first start out by doing a hot oil treatment. For this, all I'm going to do is take some avocado oil and just slap that all over my head and just drench my hair in the oil. Since I'm going to be shampooing my hair, it was straight, and when my hair is straight it's a lot more dry than usual, so I want to make sure before shampooing that I add more moisture back into my hair. So I'm being sure to really focus on my ends and then put more oil on my fingertips and kind of massage it into my scalp as well. You guys, these scalp massages feel so good, okay? Alright, so I am just going to whip my hair into a bun and then get my handy dandy grocery store bag, and then I'm just going to sit under my heated cap for probably 10 minutes or so. Alright, so it's been about 15 minutes, so I'm just going to hop in the shower and start to wet my hair. Because my hair is low porosity hair, it takes so long for it to start to absorb water, so I am just here basically sponging my hair until it absorbs water. Okay, so you guys, no lie, I did not think my hair was going to curl back up at first. It just took a little bit longer to revert back to curly than it normally does, so it did scare me a little bit there. So I just worked the water through my hair for about 5 to 7 minutes or so before my curls came all the way back, and then I just grabbed my Design Essentials shampoo and just started to shampoo at my roots only. I'm focusing the shampoo on my scalp and my roots. I am, however, going to allow it to drip down my hair toward the ends and just kind of get that oil broken up. And then I'm going to go through with a second round of shampoo, and that's when I'm going to work the shampoo through my ends. You guys, I love the Design Essentials shampoo. This shampoo is so bomb, y'all. Like, it doesn't strip my hair, and I love it because it literally feels like it's adding moisture to my hair as I shampoo. I normally don't use a lot of shampoo because it tends to be very drying to my hair, but for some reason I use like this big old glob and it just got everywhere, so it took me about 5 minutes to rinse all of that out. Alright, so this is what my hair looks like when I'm all done shampooing. My curls have returned back to normal, thank goodness. Alright, so to add more moisture to my hair, I am grabbing Oh Faithful Aussie Moist Conditioner, Avocado Conditioner, and I'm going to apply this to my hair before deep conditioning. I really love this conditioner because it has so much slip, you guys. I finger detangle my hair, and it just helps me prevent breakage and fill out those tangles as I'm going through. I'm opposed to yanking them out with a comb. But this just helps me glide those tangles out so easily, and when I do run into a knot, it just slips right on out. So now that I've applied the conditioner to this side of my hair, I'm going to finger detangle it and just kind of work the conditioner in. Yes, come through curls. You guys, I'm telling you, this conditioner will take your hair from dry to moisturized effortlessly. And then I am going to do the same to the other side. Just apply the conditioner, finger detangle, and then work the conditioner into my hair. Alright, so I am just going to rinse out the Aussie conditioner, and I am going to apply my deep conditioner the same way. Now this conditioner is the truth. Listen, I had protein overload, and I still have protein overload, and I'm battling it now. However, this conditioner is so moisturizing. It's the TGIN Honey Miracle Deep Conditioner, and I'm telling you, this conditioner is so moisturizing for your hair. It literally turns my hair all the way around, all the way around. This deep conditioner is my go-to for sure. I can finger detangle my hair with this deep conditioner as well because it has so much slip, you guys, so much slip. Even if I skip using the Aussie Moist first, I can finger detangle my hair with this deep conditioner. It's so bomb, you guys. Alright, so I am just going to clip my hair up. I am going to put my grocery bag back on my head, and then I am going to sit under my heated cap for about an hour or so. So I will see you guys in an hour. So I just rinsed out the deep conditioner, and I left it in my hair for about an hour, a little more, probably about an hour and 20 minutes. And then I rinsed it out with cold water, and now I am just going to moisturize my hair. So I'm going to use the Aussie Moist leave-in conditioner. This stuff is about gone, so hopefully we make it through. But I am actually gonna first dampen my hair a little bit more because it's super duper dry. I had it in those clips for quite some time. But yeah, I mean, you guys can see my curls reverted back. My curls reverted back to normal with no problem, no heat damage. The reason why I'm using the Aussie Moist as a leave-in conditioner is because it's super moisturizing. I had a protein overload in November, October of last year, and using a regular conditioner as a leave-in conditioner just adds more moisture. It makes my wash and goes last more softer. It makes them last more, and it makes them softer in the summer. So I'm putting quite a bit of this conditioner in my hair, and I'm honestly gonna add more water as well. But yeah, I mean, you guys can see my curls reverted back to normal. I mean, right now all I'm doing is moisturizing my hair and doing my usual wash and go. So I will just show you guys let you guys watch and see what I'm doing. The products that I'm using are just like the leave-in conditioner, the conditioner I just showed you, and then my usual honey curl foaming forming custard. Alright, so I am literally just going to do the same thing to the other side. So I am going to skip past all of this just because you guys seen me apply products to my hair before. So I am going to get to the final results. Alright, so it is like 8 o'clock and my hair has been drying all day, and I just wanted to come back and show you guys what my hair looks like once it's fully dried. I didn't get a lot of heat damage, or I didn't get any heat damage when I straightened my hair this time, thank goodness. I did for a second think that there was a chance my hair wasn't going to revert back to normal like it usually does, just because it took a little bit longer for my hair to absorb water and the curl pattern to come through once that water did hit. But thank goodness my curl pattern did come back. Now I do only straighten my hair probably 2 to 3 times a year anyway, and I don't use a lot of heat when I do it. So I didn't expect to get heat damage, but I'm not, like, I was a little bit nervous that I was gonna get some this time around. But you know, as you guys can see, my curls did come back. My hair is still full and thick like it normally is. So yeah, you can straighten your hair and not get heat damage. So I am back to curly, and I'm looking forward to doing more curly girl styles. So if you'd like to see more curly girl styles, then stay tuned for my next video. Thanks for watching, guys.